Hi, Susie here. I was thinking of doing a swipe today, and I'm going to use a lot of different colors and just sprinkle the paint on the painting. I like to do that, and it'll get like a stained glass effect type of colors, like just all mixed together. So I'm using Amsterdam and golden paints, and then I have blue-green by Pebeo, and I have what's the other one? That's 24 karat gold by decoart. So that'll add some shine to the painting and some, sparkles after it dries. I don't use any silicone in any of my paints. I stopped using that because when it comes to varnishing or putting resin on the painting, it doesn't adhere to the painting. I'm not good at getting the silicone off of the painting in order to go over it with the varnish. So if anyone knows how to do that really well, please let me know, because I've tried alcohol and scrubbing it down before putting anything on, and it just still doesn't work. So I don't know how to get the silicone off. And there's other ways to make sails besides using silicone anyway, so I just try to do that.